welcome to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Leticia. In this video, I want to share 3 smoothie recipes. I learned these recipes because I got this huge box of dates that I wanted to use up, and I thought what a better way than with making them in smoothies. These smoothies are pretty delicious. They're great for glowing skin, just having more energy during your day. So, or just in case you're just craving something sweet and delicious, these smoothies are perfect for that as well. So if you want to know the smoothie recipes, keep watching. For this smoothie, I wanted to feel a tropical vibe. I didn't have coconut milk though, but it still turned out pretty good. For this smoothie, you'll need 1 mango, a cup of pineapple, 2 dates, 1 cup of almond milk or coconut milk if you have some. Now you put it in the blender and you get this delicious, nutritious smoothie. I added some shredded coconut and some diced mangoes. This smoothie, among many other health benefits, boosts your energy, strengthens your bones. This next smoothie, you're going to need 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup of raspberries, 1 small peeled beetroot, 2 dates, 2 cups of almond milk. Put it all in the blender and you get this delicious bright pink smoothie. Beetroots are known to increase exercise performance. This smoothie is just filled with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. You are going to love it. For this smoothie, you're going to need 1 avocado, 1 banana, 2 dates, and a bunch of spinach. Also, you're going to need about a cup of almond milk. Put it in the blender and it's ready to enjoy. This smoothie, among many other health benefits, it is high in antioxidants, keeps your bones strong, it promotes healthy glowing skin. this smoothie is high in fiber as well, so it will keep you feeling full longer. It has omega-3s and many other benefits that come as well from the good fats of the avocado. If you liked these 3 smoothie recipes, don't forget to give this video a like. These smoothies are great for your skin and energy. Hope you give these smoothies a try. I hope you're having a blessed day. Hope to see you on the next video. Bye!